Sanchez, masimba siya dari Central Church. Ano siya? Dali! Marie Sanchez, Jim Santi Vlogs, YouTube niya. Here we go! Jim Marie Sanchez, Jim Santi Vlogs. Yan na ito, vlog guys. Manimba sa tabi sabat. Bawal si Shika. Nakalagay na sa pintuan, bawal. Kami sa Old Mesa Holy Trinity Church. You know, this is our Adventist Central Church Building 3. Kinsama na? Michelle Sanchez? Check na ko kung friend. Ano ba? Dire? Bawal mag-shake hands. Sanawan ninyo na. Not allowed shake hands. Tara na.
And sometimes we don't know where to dance, right? And at this moment, we ask Him for forgiveness.
We're done our second service. Jim Santi Vlogs. We're done our divine service. Happy Sabbath. Jim Santi Vlogs. Jim Marie Sanchez. Tara. Mangita tag makanaan. Dali, ayaw pag-vlog na ako. Kaya nag-vlog ko. Sama na yung partner na. Nakita mi guys ni Jim Santi Vlogs. Sanchez. First time na mo nag-met. Old Mesa Holy Trinity. Dali ba? Apil ba dali? Gamay kaning siksihon man dahil ni si Jim Santi Vlogs. Dubai Central Seventh-day Adventist Church. Happy Sabbath. Mag-lunch namin. Bye-bye. Hi guys, this is Taga Bukid Ko Vlogs
and Jim Santi Vlogs.
Jim Santi Vlogs.
We
are here in Old Mesa Holy Trinity. We're just done our divine service, 7-day Dubai Central 7-day Adventist Church, and now we're going to eat our lunch.
Ikaw rin English kayo.
Taga Bukid Ko Vlogs and Jim Santi Vlogs. We're so hungry and we're going to eat now. Bye bye. Sama ni si Jim Santi Vlogs. Tanaw sa dire. Jim Santi Vlogs. Inudusad ko dabi. Taga Bukid Ko Vlogs. Subscribe. We're just done our AY Adventist Youth Program. We're going home na. Mangnaag pa dahil mi. Old Mesa Holy Trinity guys. I'll show you. Old Mesa Holy Trinity, Dubai, UAE. Okay. Dili daw. Hello, dili ka tanaw sa ako tanaw ko sa imuha. Sige.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
This is Jim Santi Vlogs.
This is
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Pero tanggol pa ning. Magkabuang mo dahil ning mag-vlogger. Ay. Sige na. Pasikret ra ka.